Hello and welcome back. In this session, we will see how to include APK file, which is nothing but application file within your project. In the earlier session, we have seen how to invoke a particular application which is already installed. In this session, we will also use APK file along with the project. Generally, what happens is if you're working on a development project, you will get APK file of different versions to be tested. These APK files or applications will not be available on Play Store. So you have to include that within your project in order to get it installed on the real device or virtual device. Okay, in this session we will see how to include that APK file and get it installed on a virtual device. What I have done here is I have downloaded this API demos debug APK file, which is nothing but an application package file for API demos. So this is the standard application which is available inside the GitHub for Appium. Okay, so we are going to make use of this API demo and we are going to get it installed on a virtual device. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new class here. Right click, go to new and class. Provide the name for the class here. And enable main. Okay, so let me go to this first sample and copy up until the driver initialization part. Okay, if you are not sure about this Appium first sample, so you go back and watch the earlier videos. Okay, so let me replace this here or paste it here. Okay, let me get rid of this error by adding throws here. In the earlier program, we have used the calculator. So here we are not going to use the calculator, neither YouTube. So I'm going to delete those lines which are not needed. Okay, so let me save this first. Okay, we have desired capabilities with platform name as Android and the device name as the Tech-Trainer Raj, which I have it here. To add the APK file, we will make use of desired capability, and in set capability we have mobile capability type as app. Okay, and the value will be the path to the APK file. So since we don't have APK file here, what I will do is I will create a folder inside this project called APK, and I will copy this debug APK file and then paste it into this folder. Okay, now we have this APK, which is API demos debug APK file inside the APK folder. So let us get the path for this. Copy this, and then the value for this mobile capability type app will be the path to the APK file. Okay, add double slash here. All we have done is we have added another capability type called app with the path to the application. In your case, it may be in a different folder structure altogether. All you need to do is just provide the path, exact path to your APK file. Okay, let me save this and let me check whether I have this already installed or not. Okay, and I don't see any API demos here. Okay, and I have this Appium server running. Let me save this and run this. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, as you can see that we got 200 as the status code, which is successful, and we have this API demos application installed and opened here. By just providing another capability type, which is app, and providing the full path of APK file, we can install the APK file. So what we can do is so in the real scenario, this APK file keeps changing. So all we need to do is just paste the new APK file, and whenever we run the application, it will go and install the latest version or whatever the version which is inside this APK folder. Okay, so this is a sample application wherein we have included the APK file which gets installed every time, and we have seen that it has been installed here. So if you go back and see, the APK demo application is installed now. Sometimes what happens is you will get some error. So in case if you get any error while running this application, all you need to do is just wipe the data. Okay, go to this Android Virtual Device Manager and wipe the data and restart this, and that will sort out your issue. So that is the end of this session. Thanks for watching.